Microphone check. Can't tell how loud it is or not. Do 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 do. The quality's just not there. Stream quality. I'm gonna reduce something. Automatically start replay buffer when streaming. Source alignment snapping. Snap, no, I don't care about that. What is it called? Just sounds like I'm at tin can tunnel. Last time I had it pretty good. I had my settings pretty good. I haven't streamed for a minute. Things going on. So I can't stand it. I've got to get the audio right. And I don't know if I'm listening on. What am I listening to this on? I really think it's Restream, but every time I've tried streaming, getting into it, being consistent, I battle with the quality. Okay, unless I'm monitoring it on Twitch, and I see also the collab icon means you can click knock to ask to collaborate. You can knock from their channel page. That's cool that they got that out. Oh, bind IP dynamically change bitrate to manage. No, I found what I'm looking for. It's stream delay. Cutoff point, increase delay when reconnect. Before I was messing with settings to try to improve audio performance, letting it buffer before it sends it out to stream. And I just changed that back from like 10 seconds to only 2 seconds. And I clicked OK. So now I'm going to wait a few seconds and see how far this is behind and see if there's any improvement to the sound. All right, check now. 7 minutes in. There's a bunch of stuff I have to learn how to do with streaming. Be set up all the time. A huge list of to-dos. I've got to get through them one by one. All right, 7:38, and as I speak, 7:45 as I speak. 7:45. I have to think about this. Background removal thing. I should just turn the background removal thing off. I think it eats up space. It does weird stuff. I can kind of shift my camera though too. There we go. All right, I'm gonna leave the. How do I minimize? Like, if I don't want to see the video on Twitch, I just want to monitor chat. And I know there's a way to do this. There was so much I was going to do on Twitch when it's like learn how to get your um, like my dashboard page showing and good, and then you know that on Twitter, automatic events, notifications, cutting shorts. All right, now I'm switching. I'm gonna mute Twitch, go to YouTube. It's a lot of it's not technical debt, but it's the same thing. It's like media debt. Like this is a 10-minute video that's gonna be recorded, and I'm not getting set up, so it's like, oh, gotta go and delete that. Like only just like code commits. It's like you commit to your what you're producing. Almost like it's like is there is there source goal for media production? The YouTube quality is terrible. Like the video is terrible. The live view on Twitch is much clearer. I wonder if this is a restream thing. Or just sitting here looking at a blank page. I'm gonna Google up something from my other screen. It's like optimize restream IO quality. Or restream is just another level of networking I don't want to go to. Optimize restream IO. The reason I do it, I can go to both and then they'll be recorded on YouTube. It could be video encoder stuff. It could be, maybe it's trying to stream at 1080p and really I can only realistically do like 720p. And I already have some like audio changes, but yeah, I can enable the Restream website. So I'm going to look at this. I'm going to go to YouTube, delete this video, start over, and actually do the work. This is what always catches me up. It says they have like a metric on the Restream site. It says the quality is excellent. Oh, you know what's cool too on Restream? You can embed this stream to your website, engage your website visitors with a live video. Oh, you have to upgrade. It has the text to what to embed for the upgrade, um, like blurred out. You can read it. I can totally read that. I don't know if the token is correct. That's interesting. I'm going to stop this and check the actual YouTube video because that's the source. Right now, I'm hearing it being streamed back to me. So I'm going to check the actual video audio source. Stop this. Notes to self. That's what I'm going to start calling these. There'll be like hundreds of them. And before I actually do that, I'm going to read these design notes. So little boxes these little boxes are Hermit Crab on or with a computer. The player goal is to grow the crabs and migrate them to larger shells. This started as a GMTK game jam. The theme was to make big things small and small things big. And for some reason, hermit crabs that grow came to mind. When a hermit crab moves into a shell, it's called molting. It's similar to how reptiles shed their skin. Most hermit crabs molt every 12 to 18 months. Randomly assign names to crabs, randomly place nodes. Depending on screen size, how to break up the screen blocks into 50 pixel wide sections to fill. Maybe do 15 nodes. So you have like 15 hermit crabs. Randomly walk the characters around. Goal is to grow the crabs by 10x. They need to be fed and water. Maybe the hacking component. This was I was trying to do in 2 days and stopped. Maybe the hacking component is so it's I want to put it out there at the GitHub URL and on itch.io something and have it basic and it's like done and complete. Maybe the hacking component is to run machinery to deliver sustenance to them. Ah, yes. There's a game world time. Every 5 minutes a crab may grow. So once at its full size, it takes 15 minutes for a game. Yeah, because you grow at 10x. But for it to grow, there's like, I have notes on this somewhere, like a simple little commands. Yeah, you type commands into the screen areas. Commands are limited. A puzzle or bug to solve. Maybe their nodes need connected for water or food transport. Yeah, you've got to collect bigger shells. Grow the crabs. How do crabs die? Instead of having to zoom the whole browser window, click on a node and it scales up in center. And over here is what I had. Why does it look like there's a zero? Oh, it's not zero, it's my little crab down there. So I'm gonna click one and I want the whole thing to jump up. And let me look at I'm gonna see where I got as far as, let me refresh. I did have a begin. Begin, that goes away, this pops up. I zoom in. Menu and help. Oh, because it's a little computer with a text area. You can type in here. This is what I did. Yes. And I was gonna do a food and water level, crab size. I didn't get very far. Why did I make these only 50 pixels by? I should just have it flex to be like 5 wide total and 15 of them. Alright, what did I do? Maybe do 15 nodes in 50 pixel sections. Yeah, this is what I was talking about here. See, it just stopped. Things came up. How much JavaScript do I have? I have my little DOM helpers, image path, the node amounts 15, begin button, game stats, action box content, the begin button, clear action button. So these are helpers that came from another project I started, but game, I've got crab nodes, player stats, game stats, introduction text, so dialogue. Here for the node amount, I generate the amount. Make sure, see if anybody's here. If someone's here, I am sorry. No. Okay. This is okay now. It's only been 22 minutes, and I'll just leave this because I might go back and watch it. But I'm gonna stop it and restart. I need a real plan. Plan my content. Plan editing, marketing stuff, promotion. So I create, generate a node. Generates a crab, the crab screen, the top bar, the menu and help. Oh, all menu and help are it's their little computer. So I need to get their little computer. Hacking the Hermit Crabs. You are the Hermit Crab. And the programming. That's what it is. It's like here the crab node gets an ID. With this is in a loop. I don't know, ID gets passed into generate node function. Update stats. It's empty. Action box. The action box pop up. Oh, the prompt mode can be mine or kit. This is from my mine sweeper thing I was doing. Mine or kit. It takes X, Y. If action box is greater than 2/3 times 2 the screen subtract. Oh yeah, where you want it to pop up at. Oh. See, X and Y comes from a click. Note, X and Y are the screen cursor coordinates, are the current cursor click coordinates. Reused from Mind Game. Alright, before I go further, hold on. Before I go further, okay, that's the last thing on here. I just left that down there because I knew I would want it. And I go, let's see. No, I didn't want a new tab. There, I'm serving the file from there. There's that. I have no idea. Get status. No idea. Get diff. So I had done a bunch of work here that isn't even, well, not really. Oh. Even just little move around. Huh. I just stopped in the middle of this. more UI planning and initial design. Save and purpose. Origin. And what was get log or August 17th? So almost a month ago. What happens in like 3 weeks? All right, I'm gonna stop this and reconvene. I think this is my stats box I put up here. I'm gonna change this text from 2024 June TK Game Jam. Now, before I stop, I need to review. I have this is Game Wrapper, Game Stat is hanging out up here. Stats, what that's about, and it needs to be not, you have this and then this. Oh, okay, because header's not in like a container or anything. Game Wrapper, Stats, Action Box. I have what you call your arena. I think I have pulled in Bootstrap 5. Yes, Bootstrap. So save that, design notes, brainstorm. Alright. Update. Current to do. Align nodes and columns. But currently not. Align nodes and columns. Add water and food meters. Figure out what goes on the crab's computer, menus, and help. Figure out what commands are and what they do. Example given, deliver food, shells, water, right? Goal, grow all 15 crabs to 10x 50 minutes. This is MVP level 1. 15 crabs, 10x over 15 minutes. And so to do so, crabs must coordinate their machines. Yeah, it could get really interesting, but I gotta just keep it simple, put it out there, and then like put stuff up in the repo, post about it or something. Figure out how do you publish just a vanilla JavaScript game on itch. I might try that. Just put out the sample version or something. Um, do stats, do animation of crabs. Yeah, they start out tiny. That's why they're small. That was some game make them small things that grow bigger. That's right. I'm gonna do a quick look at CSS. See if there's anything I don't need. Node inputs, and just like screen. I can make all these larger. And so like these, yeah, the crab character starts at only um, 10 pixels. I'm gonna go ahead and do 20. And I'm gonna make the screens 60. And I went up with the screen size by 20 here, so I'm gonna go 70 here. No, 700. I probably won't need this inline block anymore. I think what I was doing, I didn't want to screw with bootstrap columns and stuff or flex right away. All right, jump over here. There's my notes. That increase by 20, increase by 20, increase the stat, crab initial size by 10. Boom. Quit. Git add. Does that work? Okay. Yeah. Wait, design notes. Update. And increase node sizes. I don't know why I call them nodes. They're computer nodes. They're little crab computer nodes. Or the hermit crabs. Oh, better push this, and then that said, I'm gonna sign off here and reconvene. Come back. My to-do list is like finish this little funny little thing. I have syntax blast, which I think could be really interesting and fun and like useful. But then I have the 10 million Minesweeper game inspired by the 1 million check boxes project. So those are my three. Knock those out and I have some good work done. And then I have serious work. There's a W, like data transfer, like command DSL language I want to make in Crystal. I I want to get back into like going all in on the crystal language. I got halfway there and stopped, got sidetracked with some other things. I learned some other protocols and languages stuff. Um, so setting a goal for myself is 37 minutes. Um, September 12th. Have these knocked out, like published at whatever state they're in. Just like have them out there. Then do like a little follow up, like, hey, post them, put it out there. Who cares? Um, by the end of the month, and like really be set up with, you know, one main focus at a time. And I'm interviewing and things right now for some companies, but I have software and media, which I call it, that I'm working towards, and I'm trying to figure out what that means entirely and what I'm building. A lot of ideas. All right, I'm gonna call it 38 minutes. I know there's a way to do a marker. How do you do the stupid markers? When I do slash marker, add a stream marker or the current marker. Do you do it with the braces? Under marker and then end. Unexpected error occurred. I'm gonna do marker in the YouTube chat. Oh, the video looks horrible on YouTube. I'll see what it looks like. But yeah, I need to stop it and replay and check it out. All right, bye.